Hi guys, and welcome back to another one on Cookies Express. Now, as you can see by the title of this video, this is a Style My Wig with me. This was the first time I've ever customized and styled my own wig for myself, let alone a wig in general. I am not a regular wig wearer. Wearing wigs are not my choice of protective style, but I thought I'll try something different as it was my birthday and I was going on holiday for the first time as an adult, if that makes sense. It does make sense. Anywho, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I was very happy with the end result. I love the finished look. I have included videos at the end to show what the wig looked like on me, and as much videos that I could include with the wig on, as it didn't last long. You will see why if you watch to the end. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to thumbs up.
It's a major move right here, baby. You gotta get with it to get lost. You understand?
Yeah. This young Lord reporting live from Atlanta, Georgia. Decatur, where it's great. And I want all my
Do not, I repeat, do not come for me in the comments. I am not a regular wig wearer, so yeah, I just used what I had to hand to make this process run as smooth as it needed to, because it was late. This was my first time. I wasn't going to dilly and dally with getting extra things I probably will not have to use anytime soon, or probably have to use again, as I didn't know where this was going. I didn't know if I was even going to get this to look right, nor if I was going to even be attempting to customize again. But yeah, as I said, I did like the end result. This was my first time, so I was just using what I had to hand. Don't come for my water bottle, don't come for my methods of, yeah, just don't come for me. Thank you.
This is how I feel. I'm in need of love, so let's dip up out of here. Ooh, you're just my type. Everything's so right, and I just want you. So let's dip up out of here. Let's dip up out of here. She's fine too, but I want you. Drive over in your new whip, bring some friends you cool with. I'ma bring the cool whip, then I want you to strip. See, you is my new chick, so we get our grind on. She be grabbing, calling me Biggie like Shine Home. Man, I swear she fine home. Why she always lying on, telling me them diamonds when she know they rhyme. She got a light-skinned friend, look like Michael Jackson. Got a dark-skinned friend, look like Michael Jackson. I play ready for the world, she was ready for some action. My dog said you ain't no freak, so you bout to prove my man wrong. I'ma play this Van Draws, you gon' take your pants off. I'ma play this Gladys night, me and you gon' get right. It's beautiful, but now I need you to do it faster, baby.
I really just was winging it. I really didn't have a clue of what I was doing, only just what I remember seeing by watching YouTube videos. So I had cut more or less. Yes, I cut less hair than I needed to, and I needed to cut more, if that makes sense. So once I then cut the hair, it was so much more easier to style the baby hair or shape it the way I wanted. Because it was too long, I noticed that whenever I swerved it in or curved it in, it was just too thick. It just didn't look appealing. It just didn't look cute. So once I cut it, just look at that. Once I cut it, it was so much more manageable, so much more easier to style and to swoop, that's the word, swoop to the side without it looking heavy, thick. Yeah. Anywho, back to thinking. I know what I'm doing.
Fuck all you hoes. Get a grip, motherfucker. Yeah. This album is dedicated to all the teachers that told me I never amount to nothing. To all the people that lived above the buildings that I was hustling from that called the police. So I was just
Yeah, you see, after the first baby hair, I wasn't playing no games and wasting no time with the second. I caught onto the technique quite quickly. That's why I had faith in myself to customize and style my own wig, because after watching a few tutorials, you know, for some it's easy to catch on to, for others it's not. For myself, it was quite easy to catch on to. That's why I was very happy with my final look. It took a lot of videos, but I caught on quite quickly to know how I would want personally my wig to look on me, if that makes sense. I say that a lot. Does that make sense?
Born sinner, the opposite of a winner. Remember when I used to eat sardines for dinner? Peace to Ron G, Brucey B, Kid Capri, Funk Master Flex, Love Bug, Star Ski. I'm blowing up like you thought I would. Call a crib, same number, same hood. It's all good. And if you don't know, now you know, nigga.
So this is where I stopped and ended the customizing on the mannequin, because I wanted to put the wig on myself and to add any final adjustments with the wig on. But this is the end result on the mannequin. I was very happy. This is the first time I wore the wig. This is the first time on holiday. This is the first day as well. I wore it and it survived through a lot. I wanted to show the wig on me under different lighting, with and without filter. This was also on the first night. This next video is without. This was the second night, and again I just want to show you guys what it looked like on, what it looked like under different lighting, how satisfied and happy I was with the wig, and how it was able to survive through a lot. This is me that same night partying, sweating, and the wig was still surviving. Like, it really just carried me through the holiday. The next day we went on a boat ride, a booze cruise, and I jumped in the ocean. I decided to jump in the ocean with the wig on, and it still looked perfectly fine after I jumped out. Needed no cover up. This is with it after I jumped out. We then went scuba diving or scuba boat riding the last day, again back in the water, and it survived a lot. At this point it was dry, it was crispy, and it was crying out for help. After the scuba boat, I managed to get in the shower, wash it and revive it for dinner, and this is its last look, its last day, its last leg. But it made it through, and yeah, it did its thing.
Fat cookie blunt in the ashtray. Two bitches just national smash day. Hop in the limb, have a drag race. I let them birds take a bath, babe. Raindrop, drop top, smoking on cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't trust nobody, grip the trick. Nobody call up the